In this video, we're going to learn how to use the razor tool properly, which means cutting or splitting a clip exactly where you want on the timeline. The razor tool is used when you need to break a clip into separate pieces. For example, if someone makes a mistake while speaking and you want to remove only that part, the razor tool helps you cut before and after that section so it can be deleted cleanly. Let's start. Look at the toolbar near the timeline. You'll see an icon that looks like a blade. That is the razor tool. Click on it to activate it. You can also press the C key on your keyboard to switch to it quickly. Now, move your cursor over the clip on the timeline. Click on the exact point where you want to make the cut. As soon as you click, the clip splits into two separate parts. If your video and audio are linked, clicking once on the clip will cut both at the same time. If they are not linked, you will need to cut them separately. After making your cuts, it's important to switch back to the selection tool so you don't accidentally make extra cuts. Press the V key on your keyboard to return to the selection tool. Now the clip pieces can be moved, deleted, or adjusted independently. The razor tool only splits clips, it does not remove anything automatically. You decide what to do with the separated sections, and that's it. You now know how to use the razor tool correctly and confidently in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.